I'm going to set you up for the first project. Now, it's best if you kind of figure these things out for yourself, but in this case, this is going to be the easiest way to explain the pieces and the parts. So I'm going to do a new file and a new document that is 10 inches, like that, inches by 10 inches square. Hit create. All right. And then here in the layers, we're going to designate layers for everything. So obviously we're going to have a logo, and let's lock that layer. Down at the bottom is the new layer button, and double click the text, and that will, we can make a space for a business card. Lock that one, make a new layer for the banner, the social media banner. And then one other important part is the sketches, because for this project, we're going to do some sketches on paper and then place those into Illustrator. I always like to lock the layers that I'm not currently working on, and that prevents you from accidentally, drawing things on the wrong layer. So here on the banner, let's unlock the banner, and let's make a kind of a template shape for the banner by getting the rectangle marquee tool. You see that we have white fill and a black stroke. If you don't, you can hit this kind of default colors button. All right, so here we're just going to make one click on the artboard, and that brings up this little menu. How big do you want it to be? I believe the banner is 8. I'm going to type in IN wide by 3 space IN. Of course, you want to double check the assignment directions to make sure, and click OK. And now if we click off of it, okay, that's the shape that our banner should be. And here we can lock that one. And I'm going to unlock the business card. And a business card, if we just click once with got the marquee, the rectangle shape, we click once, and a business card is 3.5 inches by 2 inches. Now they can either be tall or wide, so maybe that's one side. And then let's just do one click, and let's make the other side tall. So we'll go 2 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. Right, and then we can kind of organize these in an interesting way. And then here's some space for the logo itself. And lock that and save that, and we're ready to start our first project.